Hey everyone, and welcome back to the Busted Grill Garage. Tonight, let's get this busted grill swapped out of Charlie Brown. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the Busted Grill Garage. We have got Charlie Brown, my 73 Ford F100, back in the shop, and it's time to do a little bit of cosmetic work to it, as if it doesn't need exhaust or a windshield or anything to make it dependable. I bought a grill for cheap at a swap meet last summer, and I want to put it in because it looks better. So I'm gonna get right up to the front of this thing. It's pretty simple. I'm gonna walk you guys through how to do this. Now, if you were to look up the term jacked up in a thesaurus, you'd find a picture of Mountain Dew, and then below it you'd find a picture of this grill. See? It's pretty jacked up. Got a whole insert missing right here. But the good news is this thing will come out with just some quarter inch screws. So I've just got a little 1/4 inch drive ratcheting screwdriver here, and there's just a handful of screws right around the perimeter. Holding this thing in. There we go, nothing to it. Oh, we've got this grill out. I'm just gonna go ahead and wipe out the kind of the surrounding, and some of this trim's kind of filthy. Or I might make a bigger mess than what it was to begin with. That might be a possibility as well. So I'm just gonna go ahead and say, I think this grill is probably a little too nice for this truck. I mean, this thing kind of takes the whole busted grill out of the Busted Grill Garage. Now this one over here did a pretty darn good job of it. Was fixing to give up on the ends too, and we were fixing to lose that whole insert there. We're missing the insert here. It's starting to crack out right here. But this one's in much better shape, so let's get this thing tossed back in here. Now obviously, installation's pretty well a opposite process of tear down, so let's see if we can get this thing just kind of slid into the grooves right quick. Alrighty, there we go. This should work for your 73 to 79, I believe, Ford F-Series. Like I said, just a handful of bolts around the perimeter here. Looks like we've got, what, 2, 4, 6, 8 of them, just 8 bolts. 1/4 inch head. Pretty simple process. Sometimes if you've got a grill that's in good shape, like they're supposed to be, they do fit in to a little groove in the trim right here on top and bottom. So they're kind of apt to push back out. You kind of got to fight that just a little bit. But other than that, really simple process, and I hope this helped someone out there. I know I hope it helped anyone that watches it. So I'm going to end this one off here. I hope you have a really good night, guys, and I will catch you guys on the next one. I finished this video off, and I realized after the fact that I hadn't shamelessly asked you guys to, like or subscribe. Click the little bell notification down there. Comment on it if you like what you see. Comment on it if you don't like what you see. So anyway, do that. I'm going to say it shamelessly. Just go ahead and do that. So now that that's done, I will catch you guys on the next one. I hope you have a very good night.